AI and Faith: How Technology is Revolutionizing Religion in 2025. Imagine a world where AI helps you deepen your faith. Sounds like science fiction? Think again. The future is here, and it's transforming religion in ways you never thought possible. We're not talking about replacing faith, but amplifying it. AI is becoming a powerful tool for religious leaders and believers alike. It's a digital reformation, driven by algorithms and a desire for deeper connection. AI can translate scriptures into any language instantly. This breaks down barriers and makes sacred text accessible to billions. Imagine the impact on global outreach. AI chatbots are now offering personalized spiritual guidance. They can answer questions about faith, provide daily reflections, and even offer support during times of crisis. Is this the future of pastoral care? These AI guides are available 24/7, offering a constant source of comfort and wisdom. They can analyze your spiritual needs and tailor their responses accordingly. It's like having a personal spiritual advisor in your pocket. Traditional methods of outreach are evolving. AI is helping religious organizations reach new audiences, especially younger generations who are digitally native. AI-powered social media campaigns are spreading messages of hope and inspiration. Virtual reality experiences are allowing people to explore sacred sites from the comfort of their homes. The possibilities are endless. But with great power comes great responsibility. The integration of AI into religion raises important ethical questions. How do we ensure that AI is used responsibly and ethically? We need to consider issues of bias, privacy, and the potential for manipulation. It's crucial to have open and honest conversations about the ethical implications of AI in faith. Imagine attending a virtual church service led by an AI pastor, or using AI to create personalized prayers and meditations. The future of worship is being reshaped by technology. AI can analyze your emotional state and tailor the worship experience to your specific needs. It can create immersive and engaging environments that foster a deeper sense of connection. Religious leaders are at the forefront of this transformation. They are embracing AI as a tool to enhance their ministries and reach more people. Many are experimenting with AI-powered tools to improve their sermons, manage their congregations, and provide better pastoral care. They see AI as an opportunity, not a threat. AI allows for a level of personalization that was never before possible. It can tailor religious experiences to individual needs and preferences. This personalized approach can lead to a deeper sense of connection and engagement. It can help people find meaning and purpose in their lives. Despite the rise of AI, the human connection remains essential. Technology should enhance, not replace, the human element of faith. The most effective approaches combine the power of AI with the warmth and compassion of human interaction. It's about finding the right balance. The future of faith is being written today. AI is transforming religion in profound ways, and the journey has just begun. Embrace the possibilities, address the challenges, and work together to create a future where technology and faith coexist in harmony. What are your thoughts on AI and faith? Share your opinions in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content on the intersection of technology and spirituality.